Hello and welcome to this next video in our series. This is going to be dealing with Project 2, where we're analyzing advertisements, and this is the second part of that project. This is going to be your fourth essay in the class, where you create your own static public space advertisement. So we're going to build on the skills we did with our Essay 3, where you analyzed a community-based advertisement, looking at the target audience, its purpose, and its use of rhetoric. We're going to be creating our own advertisements and conducting a self-analysis of our choices. So first we're going to identify a civic issue you care about in your own local community. So think about what communities you belong to. Feel free to refer back to Cal Lazin's article, The Culture In, to look at that. Your community could be a place on a map. You belong to the Pasco community. Perhaps you belong to the CBC student body community. Maybe you belong to a soccer team community, or a comic book aficionado community, or perhaps you're a part of a gamer community. What are some of the communities you're a part of? Look at one of those communities and see what kind of issues that community might be facing. You're going to be creating an ad trying to solve one of those issues. So there should be a localized problem within your community, and you want to try and solve it or improve it. You're going to construct an original digital version of a print-based advertisement, something that might appear on a poster, a billboard, in the newspaper within your local community. You're going to want to make rhetorical choices and target a specific audience. So your advertisement should consist of a rhetorical and original combination of images, words, and symbols arranged to persuade members of your local community to be sympathetic to your chosen civic issue, the problem that you want to solve. We'll brainstorm some ideas in the discussion boards, but a place to start would be to think about your everyday life. What do you think could be changed that might benefit others? If you're talking about your community and you're saying that you're a part of the CBC student body community, perhaps more parking at CBC might be something that you want to advertise. Perhaps better litter control on the freeways around town. You notice as you drive through West Richland that there's more litter than is common elsewhere, and you want to try and solve that. Maybe you want to say that there should be more free spay and neuter facilities for stray animals in Benton City, or more health food options at the CBC cafeteria. Think about an issue that impacts the community you're a part of, and think of a problem that you might try and solve. Your single page or a single poster advertisement should be viewable in or compatible with PowerPoint. I would highly recommend that you upload this part of the assignment as a separate upload. It's going to be a PowerPoint document you upload with a single slide that shows your advertisement. It should be accompanied by a 2 to 4 page written reflection in MLA format. So when you upload your assignment to the gradebook, you will upload 2 documents. You're going to upload a Word document with your self-analysis, and you're going to upload a PowerPoint document with your advertisement image. In your self-analysis, you're going to explain the rhetorical and visual choices you made in constructing your own original civic-based advertisement. Just as with our Hungry Planet project, where you made your own image, you're going to be asked now to look at the ad you created, talk about the target audience you would like to reach, talk about the purpose you want to convey, what is the idea that you're selling, and then talk about how you use the rhetorical appeals to accomplish that purpose. How do you use ethos, pathos, logos, and kairos to impact your audience? Feel free to use the visual design elements as well to support your rhetorical choices. As with all of our assignments, if you have any questions about this, please reach out via Canvas or email, and I will be happy to help you with this. Check the Modules tab for additional support materials that will help you be successful in this project. Check the calendars to make sure you stay apprised of due dates, and once again let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to reading your writing.